Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. I kind of look like a dude today. Oh my god. I made this like really short wig and I just don't know if I like it. I just feel like I look like a guy. I look like a lesbian. So today I have a $500 Pretty Little Thing haul. I bought this a couple weeks ago and I finally gotten around to filming this video. How much did I spend in total? It doesn't say. I paid around 400 something euros and it ended up being around $500. So in total I spent about $500 and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to try it on and I'm also going to talk about what I'm returning and stuff like that. Oh my god, I hate my hair right now. So the first thing I want to show you is this hat. This thing is going back. I've always wanted like a hat like this ever since I was like younger because I thought it was cute, but this shit does not suit me. First of all, it doesn't fit on my head when I'm wearing wigs, so that's annoying, but this just isn't, it doesn't look good on me, so this is going back. Then I have this dress. This dress is so freaking cute. It's like frilly type of thing and it's really pretty. I got it in a size UK 4 and that's a 0 in US size and then 32 in European size. I think I'm just gonna say the UK sizes. I think that's the easiest because I'm pretty sure when you order it's all in UK sizes. So I got this in a 4 and it fits perfectly. It's really cute. It's not too long. It's just super flowy. The material is really nice and feels just good quality. And I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot this summer. Then I got this dress. I got this in a size 6 and I don't know if there was a size 4, but I should have gotten it in a 4 because it's kind of long on me. It's coming off. It says love in this furry fabric and it's really cute, and I just paired it with this like chain belt that I got from ASOS, and I'm able to kind of like pull it up a bit and it makes it work, but I should have gotten it in a size smaller so that it wouldn't be as long. Also I'm like 5'2", 5'3", so if that helps any of you with the length of this. Yeah. Then I got this basic like oversized sand color t-shirt. This is just really nice to wear with some like biker shorts or whatever, some sneakers, and get out the door. Even like my Doc Martens, I wore this with my Doc Martens and some biker shorts. It was really cute. This is just really comfortable. I just love comfortable clothes. Like I care more, well, I wouldn't say I care more about the comfort than what it looks like. I just really like it to be cute and comfortable. Because when I don't feel comfortable in something, I just know I'm not going to be wearing it. So I picked this up because I first of all love the color and it's just really cute and comfy, and yeah. The next thing I got is this dress, and if you follow me on my Instagram, you might have seen this already. I also wore this in one of my get ready with me's and in one of my vlogs. So yeah, I got this in a size 6 and I'm glad I didn't get a smaller size because it's actually really tight. I feel like I have really wide shoulders and so it's like really tight on my shoulders, but it's not too tight though, like it's perfect. But like if I got this in a size 4, like it would just be too tight. So yeah, it's really cute. And it says PLT on there. And it's just like, I don't know, it's really cute and I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. I already wore it a couple times. You can wear it with like sneakers or you can wear it with like some boots. Like I just think it's really cute, so got that. The next thing I got is this little crop top, and this is probably one of my favorite things that I got. It's just so flattering. It fits perfectly. This goes with everything. It has little frills on the bottom. Again, I just like comfortable clothes, and this is just something that's really comfortable and very basic and that I can just wear like all the time. So yeah, I got this in a size, doesn't say, I don't know. I got it in a 6. Then I got, you can't really see here, I'm just going to show you the clip of these pants, but they're like white leg joggers and they're super comfortable. They're like really stretchy. They're quite big on me like lengthwise, so they like drag on the floor. So I'll honestly just be wearing them at home, but they're so comfortable. They're high-waisted. I love pairing it with the white crop top just to be like at home and like chilling. It just looks really cute and it's just very comfortable. If you're taller, then it's gonna work perfectly to like wear out as well, because it literally drags over the floor if you're short. But yeah, really cute, love it, comfortable. I still look like a dude. Then I got this top. It's like deep V kind of tie blouse thingy, cropped. I don't know. I got this in a size 6. It's really cute. You can wear this with shorts, jeans. That's about it. It's really cute and just comfortable for like summer. And I'm probably gonna wear like a black bralette underneath because I don't really have much chest, and like it's pretty like open. Like if I bend over, you're gonna see my tits. So yeah, but it's really cute and I don't know how else to describe clothes. Cute. I feel so insecure. I got this white blouse as well. I got it in a size extra small, and I'm still kind of figuring out how I want to style it, but I really wanted one. And like when I got it, I was like, how the f do I style this? Like I had an image in my mind and it just didn't really work out, so I'm still kind of figuring that out. But it's really cute. You can even wear this as like a little jacket, like if you're just wearing some shorts and a cute top, and then you know it's getting a little windy or something, you can just wear this on top and it's just really pretty. Or like wearing it off the shoulder, as you'll see in the try on clip, that was really cute, so I'll probably wear like that as well. And it's just a nice basic piece. And yeah. Then I got this off the shoulder crop top sweater thing. I already took the tag off and I honestly feel bad about it because I kind of wanted to return it. I got it in a small. It is really cute, but it's not practical because if I move my arm in like a weird way, like it's gonna just be all the way down to my feet. Like it's like, I don't know, like wearing it off the shoulder is really cute, but there's no like, it's not like tight, like it's so loose. And maybe I should have gone in a smaller size, but I feel like small was the smallest size there was, or extra small was sold out, because I'm sure I would have gotten an extra small if I could. That would have probably solved the problem. But yeah, besides that, it's really cute. I'm gonna have to look for like maybe a white bra, not a bralette, yeah, a bralette possibly, or just like a bandeau top to wear underneath, just like really small, to make sure that when it does fall down, you can't see like my whole chesticles. So, but besides that, it's really cute. And wearing this with like a pair of jeans or shorts, it's really cute. Still looking like a dude. Next thing I got is this bikini. I only tried on the top because I just don't really feel comfortable showing myself in bikini currently. It's just like not working out. Like, no. This fits so nice. The bottoms fit perfect as well. They're a little high-waisted, but they're not like all up in your ass. What's that? I love like, not like high waist, but like high rise. It's not like high waist. It's just like you pull them up higher. I just feel like it looks really flattering, but I love how it's not just like a thong, because like that's not really something I would wear to the pool or to the beach. Like I just feel really uncomfortable. This one still kind of hides your crack, but it's still like really flattering and just makes your ass and just like your waist, everything look really good. And then the top is just the basic triangle, which I personally feel like just looks most flattering on me. And yeah, so I got this bikini for the summer. I don't know how often I'll be wearing it. Usually like I'm like, oh my god, I need to get like 10 bikinis. Like summer's coming and then I like end up not wearing any, so we'll see. But yeah, the next thing I got is this sand color biker shorts, fair biker shorts. I got this in a size 4 and they fit really nice. They are kind of see-through. I can only wear like black underwear underneath, or else you're gonna see everything else. And I would definitely wear like a t-shirt that's longer to kind of cover my ass so that you don't see my actual ass. But it's just really comfortable. I really am just obsessed with biker shorts. They're just so nice to chill in. Like there's a lot of days and I just feel so uncomfortable and nothing feels good or right on my body. What's this? Just nothing feels good, and so I just love putting on a pair of biker shorts and a t-shirt and just that be my outfit. Like that's been my go-to outfit lately. So yeah. The next thing I got are these culottes. I got these striped pants and they're cropped and they're called that. So I also took the tag off this and I kind of regret it because even though they look kind of cute, when I first tried them on I was like, okay, I'm keeping these, they're so cute. And then I tried them on again and I was like, the crotch just sits kind of weird, but I already took off the tag and threw everything out. So I can't really return it anymore, but I'm sure I find a way to style this because it's still cute. I just don't really like how the crotch sits and it's like super high-waisted, so I can't pull it up any higher. But it's honestly not that bad. Like, it's pretty cute. It's just, I don't know. Okay, the next thing are these cargo pants. Ooh, I love these so much. I have a pair of white cargo pants as well, but they're kind of long, so they don't really fit exactly how I want them to fit, so I don't wear them as often. But these are so cute. They just fit perfectly. I got this in a size 4. I actually accidentally ordered 2, like I got it in a 4 and a 6. I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't take out the 6. I just tried on the 4 and it fits perfectly, so I'm just gonna return the 6. But they're very food baby friendly, and you can dress them up or down. You can dress them down with some sneakers and like a t-shirt or a crop top, or you can dress them up with like a pair of heeled booties or like heels, or you know. So then I got just a basic gray pair of leggings. I have 2 pairs of black leggings that are kind of see-through, not from Pretty Little Thing. I don't know why I said that, but I just wanted like a gray pair just to wear. I just don't have a lot of leggings, and these are actually really nice because they're not see-through and they're so nice and high-waisted. They're not too tight, they're just super comfortable. They're also not too long, and these are just really great. And yeah, I got this dress that just reminded me of Dior right away because of the straps. It's definitely not Dior, but this dress is really comfortable and is honestly pretty flattering. I feel like, see, like, I'm on a journey to get my body better. Like, I want to start going to the gym after I move and everything, and I feel like as soon as I kind of tone up, this is just gonna look a lot flattering. And it's just, I don't have a lot of going out dresses, probably because I never go out. But see, the tag is still on because I'm still deciding, do I want to keep this or not? I got it in a size 4, fits perfect. My boobs do look extra small on this, so when I wear it, I'm probably gonna just put something in there to kind of give it some of that. Oh my god, oh, it's coming off the hanger. Great. I got these booties. Oh, they're so cute. They're definitely not the best quality. I can feel that they're kind of cheap, but hey, I'm not gonna wear these very often. I don't wear heels very often. I don't wear boots like this very often, but I just wanted a pair to wear to certain occasions when I just need to dress up a bit. They're just really cute, but they're definitely like cheapy. They're cheap. These aren't for like everyday, like, no. But like if you don't wear boots or heels very often and you kind of want a pair for certain occasions, they're really cute. They're like a snake skin faux, of course. Okay, I think I have one thing left, which unfortunately I'm gonna have to return. Oh, thank God. I thought I took off the tag. Like, I was like about to freak out. So this dress is so cute. It says Pretty Little Thing. It's like a ripped bodycon dress. Got in a size 4. As I said, my shoulders are very wide and my arms are a little thick. They're a little flabby. I need to really just start working out and getting them toned up. But yeah, my arms still fit through this. Like everything, this whole material is like, it's pretty stretchy. It's not like super stretchy, but like no, it's pretty stretchy. No, it is stretchy. Yeah. So this material is stretchy, right? Then the arms are like not. They're like barely stretchy. I literally cannot fit my arms in this, so I'm gonna have to return it. Very sad. I could keep it till I'm more toned up, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna fit into this because like I just have wide ass shoulders. Why was I born with wide ass shoulders? Like, mom and dad, like, are you fucking kidding? It looks ridiculous, but yeah. I need to sneeze. That's not a sneeze. Oh my god. I'm tired. Tell me why it's June and it's cloudy and raining outside. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I have all my social media links down below. Come talk to me, DM me, tweet me, because I love talking to you. I will leave all the links to the clothes that I got down below, and yeah, if you want to purchase anything, you can just click on the link and get it. Also, this is not sponsored. I wish this was sponsored, so Pretty Little Thing, if you want to sponsor me, get with it. You know, like, my business email's in the description. You can contact me if you want, because I love your clothes and I would love to work together. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.